Hello, my students. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about problem solution essay. I know that I might explain it to you before. I might mention a problem solution essay, but today I'm gonna give you the strategies and the techniques and the structure so you can learn how to write a problem solution essay. I know that maybe we might have written. I think we have written a sample essay or something, but today I'm gonna explain it more. So in a problem solution essay, you identify a significant problem, analyze it, and then propose one or more workable solutions. So we have a problem. We're gonna mention the problem, and then we're gonna find solutions for this problem, and we have to write it in a very good way, and I'm gonna show you how, and that's it. Actually, here we have an article. This is from an issue, Newsweek magazine. So I want you to read this one here. In this article, the authors identify and describe a problem, and then they review possible solution, pointing out both benefits and current drawbacks. So I'm just gonna show you first the strategies that you have to follow. First, identify a problem. I would recommend you write a problem that you know about this problem, or if you want to expand your horizons, you can choose a problem that you don't know about, and then you can write a lot about this problem. Maybe you're gonna find a lot of solution, and that's will be good and useful to other people. So first, identify a problem. The number of problems in need of solution is endless. We have a lot of problem in our life. Just pick one and write about it. That's it. We face large problems and small problems every day. To identify a problem to write about, review what you have already written in your notebook or journal. Brainstorm with friends and classmates. Turn TV or radio, newspaper, and magazines for issues, or interview people active in local organization. Try to try to pinpoint a problem for which possible solutions may exist. Steer clear of complicated problems that do not lend themselves to a brief essay. So first of all, you have to find the problem, and then identify a problem, and then try to look for this problem. You can ask your friends, your classmates. You can maybe you can watch news and radio and read it and the newspaper. You can find something on newspaper, magazines probably, and maybe you can ask people about this problem, and you can ask about their opinion. So explore the problem, think and read about the problem you chose. So let's say you have chosen a problem. Just I want you to take 5, 10, 15 minutes and think about this problem. Just is it like a global problem, like all around the world, or just in your town? This is one of the things. And just like why do we have this problem? Why it is so serious? Just think about these questions before uh, write an essay about this problem. And do you have evidence about this problem? Okay, because you have to support. And okay, and this I want you just to use your tone here. What tone should you take and discussing it? Can you break the problem into parts, each of which might have a solution? Okay, so I just want you to explore the problem very well, but before writing about it, brainstorm solutions. Think about the whole problem of, you can write it, you can use a map, diagram, chart, or whatever. Just put the problem in the middle and try to find a solution. Let's say if we are going to do this, that will help this or not, will help the problem or not, will help the people or not. So think about the whole problem or parts of the problem. What have others said about handling the problem? What new thoughts can you add? You might ask yourself, like, has anyone before tried to solve this problem? If yes, look for his solutions. Maybe you're gonna like they're gonna back up your evidence, your supporting idea, or things like that. Okay, so this is so important. I want you to think about this one, okay? Because we have to find solutions for the problem you have chosen. If you're not gonna find solutions, you don't have to write about it, no? So first thing you should do, not first thing actually, second thing, find a solution. Rank the possible solutions. Determine which are ineffective solutions and why. Then identify the best solution. It is the best because it is. I'm sorry. Is it the best because it had the fewest negatives, because it is the most practical, the cheapest, the most morally appreciated? List the evidence that proves the validity of your ranking. So let's say we have like 10 solutions for your problem. We have to find like top 5. I mean, okay, we can like 10 and then 9 and then 8, and then we have to find top 5. Okay, top 5 solutions. You have to like choose like you have to choose 3 or 4 like the most important solutions, or they think they are so good. Okay, so that will help you a lot. Address resistance. Acknowledge argument that some readers may raise against your proposed solution. Counter their resistance by providing additional information. So this is so good. People might disagree with you. You have to know why and ask them. So address resistance. This is so good. Okay, note how to implement the solution. What step-by-step instruction can you give your readers about putting the solution into place? So just like you have to think about this one very well, and you have to go step by step and so on. Organize your presentation. Go back over your notes and determine how much of your essay you will devote to the problem and how much to the solution. And so that's it. You just like have to organize it, like what is the most important thing I'm gonna start with, and then you have to like go in orders. Okay, and then you're gonna write your conclusion. Okay, here we just want to have to this one, the frame, problem, solution, a frame, statement of problem, proof, possible solutions, best solution, justification step for the implementations, objection to solution, conclusion. I'm going to show you the structure to make it easy to you. Here, problem, solution, structure, introduction. If you have a question, paraphrase the question using synonym. Introduce the specific topics that will be discussed in the main body paragraphs. Main body paragraph 1, introduce the problem topic sentence, explain, give detailed example. Main body paragraph 2, introduce the solution topic sentence, give examples, give detail and example. Explain, give detailed example. Conclusion, summary of the main points. What you think is the most important about this topic, give recommendation. Okay, I want to tell you what exactly I use, not the structure. I basically use just introduce the problem and then I write my solutions. Okay, I find it like, I don't know, easier, interesting for me. I don't like to write like in the introduction about a lot of problems and then another body paragraph about the problem and then another body paragraph about the solution. Okay, here another structure that I follow actually. Problem details, And then solutions details. I'm gonna upload this video so you're gonna find it easy for you. Here, another problem details, solutions details. And we have another problem, okay? This is so easy. I think you just have to focus and concentrate, and that's it. Okay, that's what you have to do. Just follow the structure, and that's it actually. Okay, I want you to choose a problem. I know we I think we have written a body paragraph about this one, okay, but I want you to choose a problem, and please write about it, okay, and send it to me. If you have any question, problem, concern, or whatever, feel free to ask me. And that's it. Thank you for watching me. Okay.